am Dr. Sonu Goyal, Organizing Secretary of 5th National Conference on Tobacco or Health. I want to invite you to this wonderful national conference, which is hosted this time by Department of Community Medicine and School of Public Health, PGI Chandigarh. As all of you know, that Chandigarh is a union territory located in northern India, and it is also known as City Beautiful. It's built by French architect Le Corbusier and also a place of eminence when you visit different places in the city like Rose Garden, Rock Garden, and many other places including Sukna Lake. You can watch Shivalik Hills, which is very nearby, and Shimla is just 3 to 4 hours from here.
Good morning. I am Dr. Amarjeet Singh, Professor and Head Department of Community Medicine and School of Public Health, PGI Chandigarh, India. So hereby I am inviting all of you to join in next year, 25th to 27th September 2021 for 5th National Conference of Tobacco or Health. And this is a unique event because we utilize this opportunity of Corona to do it in a unique way. This year, on these dates, we are having a curtain raiser. That is again 25th to 27th September. Next year will be the full conference. So all of you are invited to join this unique venture and led by Dr. Sonu Goyal and team. Thank you.
On tobacco control, and all the leaders working in tobacco control will be there at this conference, and you will have the advantage of meeting all the people and seeing what they are doing in tobacco control.
I consider that the conferences are the events not only to meet with your colleagues and participate in the academic activities, these are also to learn from your mentors and to share your work. I consider therefore that conference are the activities which make you effective to be able to make a difference.
Hi, I am Dr. Rakesh Gupta. I am Director of Services Punjab. I worked in tobacco control for almost 8 years, earlier as State Program Officer NTCP and then as Deputy Director NCDs. All the policymakers, the civil society members, the implementers, the public health specialists and the students, they will gain a lot because the aim is to attain health by tobacco control and attain SDGs. Thank you.
Hello everyone. As you all know, the 5th National Conference on Tobacco or Health is happening on 25th to 27th September this year in PGIMER Chandigarh, and I'm really excited and I'm looking forward to attend it.
Department of Community Medicine and School of Public Health is hosting the 5th National Conference on Tobacco or Health in Chandigarh on 25th to 27th September. So we look forward to welcome you all for this conference.
I welcome you all to the 5th National Conference on Tobacco or Health that is taking place in PGI Chandigarh in September. The conference promises to be a very engaging and interactive event, and I request everyone across the country to participate enthusiastically and spread the word. See you all in Chandigarh in September.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gurmandeep Singh. I am working as a state consultant for National Tobacco Control Program in the state of Punjab. PGI is organizing National Conference on Tobacco and Health in the month of September. It is one of the largest fora on tobacco control. I urge all the policymakers, implementers, activists, NGOs, even the public health students to attend this conference. Thank you.
So the 5th National Conference on Tobacco or Health is being organized from 25th to 27th September in Chandigarh. Tobacco is a huge epidemic and we have to control it to save millions of lives. Do come to this conference, learn the best practices, meet the policymakers and implement tobacco control initiatives in your areas. Please come to Chandigarh on 25th to 27th September. Thank you.
5th National Conference on Tobacco or Health is being organized by Department of Community Medicine and School of Public Health, PGI Chandigarh, Premium Institute of India, And the theme of this conference is multifactorial convergence for tobacco-free India by 2030, and which is a way forward towards SDG goals. And we look forward to seeing you all, like all the government officials, people who are in tobacco control, the civil society, to attend this conference on tobacco control or health at Chandigarh.
Hello everyone, my name is Rajiv Chaudhary, a member of organizing team. PGI is organizing 5th National Conference on Tobacco or Health, which is scheduled on 25th to 27th September 2021. I invite all public health professionals, health program managers, tobacco control experts, civil society advocates, academia, researchers of various clinical and non-clinical disciplines from different states across the country under one roof for sharing contextual experience and best practices in tobacco control, which will ultimately lead to advancing tobacco control in our country. Thank you.
I am Vivek Trivedi, Social Development Officer with Municipal Corporation Chandigarh. PGI Chandigarh is organizing 5th National Conference on Tobacco or Health from 25 to 27 September 2021. I request all the people from across the country, from various educational institutions, NGOs, CSOs, development organizations, to register for this conference and visit this beautiful city, which is known into the entire world and existing on the global map. I also request people from across the world to register for this conference. We welcome all of you at Chandigarh.